Sa discarte, pareho lang. Sayang din kasi yung palo ni...
Chap 1-1. Nanalo ang UP in their first meeting in 4 sets. Ang Adamson nanalo in 5 sets in the second meeting. So patas na patas. So we're expecting a pretty close one today, Mosey.
Although dun sa...
Set number 1. Lai sets it up to Tiamzon.
This is what we were talking about. Sayang din yung puntos na nagagaling kay Nicole Tiamzon. You know, she packs a lot. Who is also playing so well.
That's right. Aishelene Ganaban. As Paat scores there, pero naghahabol pa rin dito ang Adamson. They're down by 4. Okay. Miss hit. Bersola, yes, nagkagawan. Dalawang player, no? Pero nagkagawan, Mosey.
Well, you would rather have that kasi yung nagtinginan. Diba yung nagkagawan siya, nagka-over and see the games live.
Nice! Down the line, Marian Buitre. Sa weekend, nasa MOA tayo.
Yes, I was gonna say that. MOA tayo back-to-back Saturday and Sunday. 12 attack points and 3 faults. Ang Adamson, 16 entering the court. You want that intimidation factor right away.
Carlos catches the line. 4-1. Set number 2. Tiamzon. Lai, Bersola. Off the blockers. Puntos para sa UP.
There you go, Kathy Bersola this time. That off the block hit.
Mga anak na babae na or lalaki na, you know, considering volleyball, is it better to tell them, practice ka na ng kaliwa?
Oo.
Kaliwain mo na lang. If you really want to go far in this sport,
But
Estrañero picks it up. Here comes Tiamzon. Block at the net. It's a 5-0 run by Adamson to snatch the lead away from UP. Here's Tiamzon. Ooh, that may have been out. Kinuha pa ni Temperatura. 5-point lead for UP now.
way. Kung wala lang yung mga errors din sa dulo.
Well, the most crucial perhaps, as you see Roque score, yung MNAS na serve at 24 all. Yun yung crucial doon.
So far it's Paat with 15 points. Galanza with 13.
A lot of her in the years to come.
For sure.
Galanza practically the same spike nung last point nila.
Again, great angle coming from fell flat on that game against LaSalle. So okay lang. Sige, raise pa ulit. Ito na.
Alguino with a block on Caloy. And Carlos seems to be checked.
Na magtiwala lang sa sarili. Erica Mosey.
All right, thank you, Nina. Roque did not get any help from the players around her.
No coverage.
Oh,
But the side.
it across. Dump ni Dacoron is good.
And Dacoron, look at that dump ball. If you see it again, mahaba. Tinignan niya.
Alguino.
Good job, Alguino, getting the bounce and getting the point.
Erica Alguino much more active and productive. Picked up by Molde. Molde will get it. And down the line, yes.
Molde going down the line and gets it to go.
UP fans are happy. Set number 4. She picks the block up. Tiamzon, yes.
Tiamzon, just with a push, gets that to go. You also like the reaction of Mo.
Wow, even on a combination, Galanza naabangan. Good serve. Mula kay Alguino. Molde.
Molde with a solid hit. Very strong on that. Look at that open hit.
Adamson, wala na. Lamang ng UP ng isa.
Tama ka daw kanina dun sa point mo nga na sinabi mo. Ang hirap pag lefty din kasi kailangan conscious yung setter. Yung, syempre yung distance ng ball. Even yung height. Crucial stages.
Just when it seemed like Adamson was in control, sa panimula ng fourth set, UP just consistent all throughout